Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on your Vivo X200. First, make sure your device software is up to date for optimal performance. Next, navigate to your phone settings and enable the Circle to Search feature. This ensures it is ready for use. Finally, familiarize yourself with the simple gesture required to activate this powerful search tool, typically a long press. To perform a search, simply long press the home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This action will activate the Circle to Search interface. Then, use your finger to circle, highlight, or tap on any object, image, or text you want to learn more about. Instant search results will appear at the bottom of your screen, providing quick information. You can easily refine your search results for greater accuracy. After circling an item, consider adding text to your search query to narrow down the information. For images, pinch to zoom in before circling to focus on a specific detail. Once results appear, scroll through them to explore various options and find the most relevant information you are looking for. Circle to Search is incredibly versatile and works across nearly all applications and screens on your Vivo X200. It is perfect for quick product identification when you see something interesting online or in a photo. You can also use it to instantly discover information about landmarks, plants, or even translate text directly from your screen, making it a truly powerful everyday assistant.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.